Hello, now I will discuss about how can you take care of your skin in very low cost domestically. At first, purchase glycerin from any medical shop, pure glycerin from any medical shop, and keep it well, cool and dry place. Then collect few aloe vera leaves. Then collect few aloe vera leaves. Then make the aloe vera leaves piece by piece. Then make the aloe vera leaves piece by piece and boil it with water to make a aloe vera extract. To make a aloe vera extract. You know that the aloe vera leaves is full of vitamin E. You know the aloe vera leaves are full of vitamin E, which is very good for skin. Which is very good for skin. When you will prepare aloe vera extract, then aloe vera pieces of aloe vera leaves should be boiled with water, then filter as we prepare tea and separate tea leaves from the tea filtrate. Similarly, separate the aloe vera leaves after boiling and filter it. The filtrate will be called as aloe vera extract. That means at first you will boil the aloe vera leaves, pieces of aloe vera leaves with water. You should boil it vigorously, then filter. Then separate the aloe vera leaves and take the liquid portion. Filter by a sieve as we prepare tea. The filtrate is called aloe vera extract. Then aloe vera extract should be again boiled. Then the aloe vera extract should be again boiled, and the volume should be small. That means the aloe vera extract should be concentrated. Now, after bathing, what you should have done is that take a cup, porcelain cup, take few drops of aloe vera juice, few drops of aloe vera juice, aloe vera extract which you have prepared. Then give it 1 teaspoonful glycerin, pure glycerin which you have purchased from medical shop. Then mix it well. This mixture is very good for your skin. In whole body, you can massage with this mixture. Your skin will remain well. Your skin will show glow. Your wrinkles of your skin will be disappeared, and it will act like a very good skin ointment of a reputed company, which you can prepare it in your house at very low cost. Aloe vera extract and glycerol. Glycerol is sold in different medicine shop as a glycerin. Glycerol is sold in different medical shops as glycerin. It has 3 hydroxyl groups. Glycerin has 3 hydroxyl groups. It has enough power to moisturize your body. So this mixture, aloe vera extract and glycerin, this mixture will also act as a moisturizing ointment. You can prepare it in your house and purchase glycerin, pure glycerin from medical shop, and make the aloe vera extract in your home by boiling aloe vera leaves with water. At first prepare the aloe vera extract, then concentrate the aloe vera extract, further boiling, and keep it in a cool dry place. Keep glycerin also in a cool dry place. After bathing or before going to bed, Take 2 liquids, glycerin and aloe vera extract. In a cup, mix aloe vera extract and glycerin 1:1. That means 1 teaspoonful glycerin, 1 teaspoonful aloe vera extract. Then mix it well. After mixing, take the mixture of glycerin and aloe vera extract and use as a skin ointment. Your skin will be wrinkle free, your skin will be healthy, your skin will be full of vitamin E. The crisis of vitamin E of your skin will be eliminated, and your in very cheap cost you will get good skin care. Thank you.